this back on. I was like, game on. I love this. I love making clothes for real people.
I want to take Tracy's outfit and make something where she feels sexy and beautiful, and this is what makes me excited.
Okay, no print. We'll keep it black. I was given Carrie. And I said, what do you like? She said, I don't like print. I don't like color. I would never wear a dress. I would never wear a skirt. I don't like to show my arms. And I wear black every day and a pair of jeans. So I got very scared and I was like, okay. Because she doesn't like anything. I think we'll be fine. I'll do it.
All right.
Are you tired?
And the buttons on the sleeve, you have to do something that can be worn every day, which is a considerable challenge when you have 10 yards of white polyester satin that's sequined and beaded and covered in acetate lace. You might want to get going back to church. Dear God, help me now.
Designers, we will have 15 minutes to shop. You will have a budget of $10 for extra fabric.
Or are you submitting to the pep talk?
So let's go shopping, okay? You're on.
Oh.
This is how it's fine, right?
Oh.
This one does? That one does? The shirt I was left with had a lot of seaming and dark. Alright, I'll take a yard and a half. So I found the exact same colored fabric with which I was going to make a dress.
I'm going to end up using the wedding dress fabric.